Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will compare capacity, full and empty. Now observe the given picture. 3 glasses of water, the empty jug. The difference between the water in the glass of jug. Oh yes, look, the jug of water can fill 3 glasses. It means the jug can hold more water than a glass can. 3 glasses, 3 empty glasses. And the jug is full of water too. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.